Moniar, I'm disappointed with the servicing of my health insurance policy by XYZ Insurance Company. I actually hung on to this policy for fear of losing all the credits accrued under the policy. I am really frustrated with the inefficiency of this insurance company. I mean, their servicing is getting worse each year.
Why should you continue with that insurance company if you're not happy? Don't you know that your health insurance policy is now portable?
What do you mean? Can I carry forward my old policy with a new insurance company?
Yes. When I said your policy is portable, it means you can transfer the credit you gained from pre-existing conditions and time-bound exclusions if you choose to switch from one insurer to another or from one plan to another, provided your previous policy has been maintained without any break.
Acha, when does a break in policy occur?
A break in policy occurs when the premium due on a given policy is not paid on or before the premium renewal date of his or her existing policy for porting his or her policy. If you want to port your policy, you should apply to the new insurance company at least 45 days before the premium renewal date of your existing policy. If the insurance company does not communicate its decision within 15 days of you providing all details, it has no right to reject your proposal.
Great! That's good news for me.
Remember, portability is allowed to all individual health insurance policies issued by non-life insurance companies, including family floater policies.